Learn English today with Academies24.com. Hello friends! English is an Indo-European language belonging to the Western branch of the Germanic languages, together with Dutch, High and Low German and Frisian, with which it still has a clear relationship. Today you will find out how you can start learning English online probably most easily or improve your English skills in a very short time. On Academies24.com, if you go to the Learn English section, you will find information about the English language and links to established online English tutors. Based on their online ratings, you can see immediately that only top providers, mostly with 5 stars, are listed here. According to some Scandinavian scholars, English, at least from its middle stage, is instead more similar to the North Germanic languages than to the continental ones, given their marked affinity both in the grammatical and lexical fields. It is the most widely spoken language in the world for the number of total speakers, native and foreign, and the third for the number of total native speakers. The first is Chinese. Any country or territory where English is spoken as a native language is called English-speaking. Further information also about learning other popular languages can be found on Academies24.com. Have fun, follow us and join for the next videos.